Hey everybody, this is Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. Last summer, I dry canned some green beans. What's that? It's actually putting green beans in a jar and only adding salt. Or you don't even have to add salt. But I've had someone ask about the quality of the green beans. Okay, as you can see, DC, guys, that stands for dry canned. And I put the year on there, 22. I did not write the month on there, folks. I should have, but I didn't. It was either in June or July when I canned these. And this is the second week of May. So we're looking 10 to 11 months. That's as close as I can get on the actual time. But I'm going to open this up. Okay. As you heard, it's got a very good seal on there. They still smell like a fresh green bean. There's no foul odor or anything. Okay. As you can see, the color is really good. They smelled great. And even though these are not warm yet, folks, I am going to test it. It still has a crunch to it. There is nothing whatsoever wrong with these beans. So this is almost a year in. And I am super excited. Will I be canning more beans this way? You better believe I will. I learned my lesson with potatoes. I dry can potatoes. That's the only way I can them now. I'll leave the videos to the beans and the potatoes in the description box. But folks, I am super impressed with this way of canning. I just wanted to give you a quick update. Thanks for watching. And folks, we'll see you on that next video.